Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Treasury bills on Etrade. Treasury bills, or T-bills, are short-term government securities that can be a great addition to your investment portfolio. We will walk you through the steps required to make your first purchase. To begin, you need to log into your Etrade account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one by providing some personal information and linking a bank account. Make sure your account is funded with sufficient cash to cover your purchase. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Now, locate the Trade tab in the top menu. Click on it, and then select Bonds. You will see a range of options including T-bills, T-notes, and T-bonds. Choose Treasury bills, and then search for the specific T-bill you wish to purchase. You can filter the results based on maturity dates and other criteria to find the investment that suits your needs. After selecting the T-bill, enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the details and ensure everything is correct before you proceed. Once you confirm your order, you will receive a notification to let you know that your purchase was successful. You can track your T-bills through your Etrade account at any time. Happy investing!